So there's no bathroom attached to this bedroom. There's one in the hall, but there is a humongous closet. Well, decent sized closet that leads to another decent area that's been finished. This could be a bathroom or storage or closet. This could be a small bathroom. You could redo this space if you wanted to. And then across the hall, I'm not sure if this was a closet or a bedroom or what. I'm thinking closet just because the angle of the room from here to here has to be 90 inches of headspace to be counted. And that would be little. Not sure what happened there. It's dry. We just had a ton of rain. And then a bathroom with dual vanity, a toilet, and a tub shower. So, master upstairs.